Hi guys, what are you doing? Oh, we are discussing pandemic due to COVID. Okay, but who are you and what exactly are you discussing? Oh, hi. I am a random guy. You can call me X. It's been a tough year due to pandemic. Well, yes, I am also a random guy and you can call me Y. Yes, it was a tough year for the world. So Mr. X, what do you think of current situation? Well, I think it's not over yet. I should keep taking care of myself and my loved ones. True. How about you, Mr. Y? Well, I think government should take correct actions now. People also could have avoided gatherings, everyone just messed up. I agree. But what should be done now? Well, I must take vaccine first. Yes, government should provide vaccines to everyone. If 70% people are vaccinated, COVID should go away. Yes, till then I will take care and get vaccine as soon as possible. Well, that was a very common conversation happening these days. But what we learn from here? Let's try to analyze the conversation that we just witnessed. Mr. X was accepting unavoidable circumstances unlike Mr. Y. Mr. Y was having if only behavior. If only government can provide vaccines, if only people follow rules. Mr. X chose to be responsible. Mr. Y emphasized on corrective actions to be taken by the world, wherein Mr. X emphasized on preventive actions to be taken by himself. In short, Mr. X was proactive, wherein Mr. Y was reactive. Yes, that brings to our topic today: circle of control, influence, and concern. The largest circle of concern, includes a wide range of concerns you have in the world. For example, world economy, global warming, and in this case, pandemic due to COVID. Your circle of influence is a subset of your circle of concerns. This circle includes things that concern you and you can do something about it. You know what? There is no point investing your time and energy on things that you can't control. If you keep blaming external factors, your circle of influence contracts. Wherein if you keep working on circle of control, your circle of influence expands. In short, be proactive in everything that you do. Let your positive energy enlarge your circle of influence. One of the most influential person, Mr. Mahatma Gandhi, once said, "Be the change you want to see in the world."